If you've been watching me, you know I love to switch up my styles so many times, and this is my long locks. These are the soft locks that I installed. If you haven't watched it, the video is right here on my channel. Please do check it out. And I switched it up by like using these rubber bands to give it a new look, like you can see. And today I'm going to be doing it just like this, into these like beautiful creative style like this. And I have just done the front part. I'm going ahead to the middle part, and it is very simple. So let me just show you quickly. So you can either decide to use one strand and do the shorter braid like this, but I decided to do two. I want them to be bigger, so I am choosing, like, selecting two strands like this, and I'm going ahead to twist it like this. Not too tight because the hair is old. You don't want to put a lot of tension on your scalp. So after twisting, I'll just fold it like this. So here is the two strands put together, twisted, and I'll just fold it together like this, same length as I have folded these ones. And once I know my length, then I'll just put it on top of each other like that, and I'll just leave some inches from my roots, maybe about 1 to 3 inches, and I'll just come and use the same fold and overlay it on each other, and then I'll start wrapping it like this. So basically like braiding your hair traditionally, just start wrapping like that. Just start wrapping like that. And once you are done, I'm going to have to be using these rubber bands to secure the ends. So once I get here, then I'll use my rubber band to just secure the end like that. So if you see any flyaways, just tuck them in to make your hair very clean. Just tuck them in like that, and there you go, bingo. So basically that is how to do it. So let me just do one more time for you to see. So this is two strands put together. I'll go ahead and twist them like that. And after twisting, I'll just go ahead and fold my hair like this and leave about 2 or 3 inches from my roots. And then I'll start wrapping. Then once I get to the end, then I use my rubber bands to secure the end. And bingo. So I'm going to head to do it for the rest of the hair. I will be right back. So this is the last strand, and like I was saying, instead of the double strands, you can do only one. This one didn't get a pair, but no problem. It is actually in the middle, so it's not going to be a problem. So let me just show you how to do the single strand as well. So it's basically the same technique. You fold it according to the length that you want, and then you leave a few inches away from your roots, about 3 inches, and then you begin to wrap it downwards like that, same way as you do with the double strands, but I preferred mine to be bigger. So you can see that this is very tiny. It's not giving, like it's not bougie, you understand. So but then, like I was saying, it is in the middle, so it's not that of a problem. So then when you get to the end, you just use a rubber band to tie like that, and you're basically good to go. So I am done with all my short bob locks. This is how they are looking. So let me go ahead and then put them into a good shape, style it, and I'll be back again. So this is how it is looking. I really love how it turned out to be. You can either work it like this, or you can just push all the other ones to the sides like this. If you don't want your baby hairs to show, you can just cover them up like this, and you'll be basically good to go. Yeah, otherwise you can either switch it up to the sides as well. So basically you can do it any style that you want, okay, so that your looks can be as many different times as you want it to be. This is another look. You can do bantu knots at the top. You can also do bantu knots at the side. Any way you want to switch it up, girl, go ahead. Oh my god. So let me know what you think. I must admit, this takedown is really going to be tough. It's going to take a lot of patience to take the whole thing down, because rubber bands have gone inside, and then rolling it up again to this short hairstyle, another black rubber bands have gone inside as well. So you need a lot of patience to take them down. I mean, I would admit it is going to be tough, but for the love of beauty and fashion and style, we need to like look good, you know. So basically this is it. I'm really going to be patient with my hair. Don't worry, my hair is going to be totally fine. After all, I moisturize my hair a lot with chibi products. I'm going to show you guys very soon in my next video, so do watch out for my hair transformation and my chibi products as well. So yeah, basically this is the style. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.